The Humhold 14,000 British Thermal Units portable air conditioner is a powerful cooling solution designed to efficiently cool spaces up to 700 square feet, making it perfect for large rooms and open areas. This versatile unit combines three functions in one, acting as an air conditioner, fan, and dehumidifier, which provides flexibility and convenience for various climate needs. Equipped with a user-friendly front LED display and remote control, it offers ease of use and allows you to adjust settings from a distance of up to 23 feet. The self-evaporating system minimizes maintenance by eliminating the need for regular draining in most settings, though it may require draining in particularly humid environments. Smart and sleep modes, along with a 24-hour timer, enhance energy efficiency and ensure a comfortable environment by automatically adjusting the temperature and fan speed. Its enhanced wind speed and auto swing features ensure rapid and even distribution of cool air throughout the room, providing comfort from every corner.